Have you ever wondered how the majestic Himalayas, the planet's highest mountain range, came into existence? These towering heights that kiss the sky, stretching over 2,400 kilometers across 5 nations, are not just geological marvels. They are the lifeline of billions, the source of mighty rivers, and the guardians of diverse ecosystems. The Himalayas are not just mountains, they are a symbol of nature's grandeur and mystery. But their formation is a story as intriguing as their splendor. These formidable peaks didn't just sprout from the earth overnight. In fact, the birth of the Himalayas is a tale of colossal forces at work, a tale spanning millions of years. It's a story of the earth's crust in motion, of land masses colliding, and of the relentless forces of nature sculpting the world as we know it. So, how did these colossal peaks form? Let us take a journey back to over 50 million years ago. The story of the Himalayas begins with a colossal collision. Picture 2 great titans, each with an immense power of their own, rushing towards each other in a head-on clash. This was not a battle of mythical beings, but rather a tectonic showdown that would forever reshape the face of our planet. For hundreds of millions of years, the Indian tectonic plate had been on a northward journey. Propelled by forces deep within the Earth's mantle, it was moving at a speed of about 15 centimeters per year. This may not sound like much, but when it comes to geological timeframes, it's relatively swift. As it journeyed, it was on a collision course with another giant, the Eurasian plate. And when these 2 titans eventually met, the impact was so immense that it buckled the Earth's crust, forming a shallow sea known as the Tethys Sea. This sea was sandwiched between the 2 colliding plates, a watery testament to the power of tectonic forces. Over time, the sediments in the Tethys Sea, made up of eroded materials from the land and the decaying remains of marine life, started to compress under the immense pressure. This process, known as sedimentation, was happening on an epic scale. But that wasn't all. As the Indian plate continued to push against the Eurasian plate, the pressure on the sediment layers increased. The layers began to fold and rise, the Earth's crust crumpling like a sheet of paper under pressure. This was the start of the formation of the Himalayas. Imagine it like a slow-motion wave, a ripple in the Earth's crust rising higher and higher, propelled by the relentless pressure of the colliding plates. This is how the majestic peaks of the Himalayas began to form. This was just the beginning of the rise of the Himalayas. The story of their formation is one of immense power, patience, and geological persistence. The birth of these majestic mountains was a process that took millions of years, and it's a story that is still being written today. With the relentless collision, the Earth's crust began to buckle and fold, giving birth to the Himalayas. A spectacle of nature, the clash of the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates created ripples across the Earth's crust. The crust, unable to bear the immense pressure, folded upon itself layer upon layer. Imagine a thick, sturdy carpet being slowly pushed against a wall. It would crumple, right? The same happened with the Earth's crust. The sediment layers, stacked and compressed over millions of years, folded and crumpled under the unfathomable force. This folding and refolding, a testament to the power of Earth's tectonic forces, led to the rise of the majestic peaks we now know as the Himalayas. But the story doesn't end there. The Himalayan story is one that is still being written. The tectonic movements persist even today, pushing the Himalayas higher into the sky. Each year, these majestic peaks grow a few millimeters taller. It's a slow, almost imperceptible process, but it's happening nonetheless. Just think about it. The tallest mountains on Earth are still growing. It's a testament to the dynamic, ever-changing nature of our planet. Even after millions of years, the Earth remains a vibrant, evolving entity. The process that started millions of years ago is still continuing, shaping the Himalayas as we know them today. What a fascinating narrative, isn't it? The majestic Himalayas, a living testament to Earth's incredible geological saga. So, the monumental Himalayas are the result of a tectonic dance that has spanned millions of years. The Indian and Eurasian plates collided, setting off a chain of events that birthed the majestic peaks we see today. This colossal clash pushed up the seabed, creating the towering mountains. Over time, these mountains continued to rise, a testament to the ongoing tectonic activity. Next time you marvel at the beauty of the Himalayas, remember the immense geological forces that crafted these majestic peaks.